Yo, what's up, crypto legends? How's everyone doing? Let's take a look at some altcoins, guys. Is the altcoin season going to continue? Are we going to see a lot of altcoins starting to pop by next week? Okay, this is what we are going to analyze in today's live stream, guys. Make sure to grab your cup of tea, guys. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing fantastic. Let me know if you can see me, if you can hear me. How's everyone doing, guys? Make sure to destroy the like button on your way in. It's going to be a nice, chilled Saturday evening here, Central European time. Wherever you are, guys, happy Saturday. Let's analyze the situation. Let's get some stuff ready for Monday as well on the live stream, taking a look at Bitcoin, taking a look at some other altcoins as well, guys. Let me know the altcoins that haven't popped yet, guys, because we are interested in the ones that haven't had that move to the upside, guys, so we can analyze in today's live stream for those major opportunities. All right, so we can kick off with Bitcoin. We can take a look at the S&P 500, right? Not doing much, but you know, we can talk about what we can expect for next week, right? Let's see if we get April pumping, guys, by the end of April, because May, you know the deal, what happens with May, right? May is when all of the people cash out, right? All of the institutions, you know, in large investors, because they want, you know, this is what usually happens, right? In May, we have some sell-offs on May, okay? It does usually happen. If you do take a look at the last couple of decades, May is not a great month, okay, for stock market, for crypto. There are sometimes in May that you can pump, but people want summer holidays, they want to cash out. So yeah, let's see if April continues. We still have a couple of weeks. Let's get April banging. Let's see if that is going to be a possibility. Anyway, guys, let's take a look here at the comments. All right, we can start off with Bitcoin. Make sure to destroy the like button, guys. Show some love, okay, for the channel. Yeah, it's very much appreciated. So let's take a look at the comment section. We got here Daily D saying, hey, bump and run scenario on Solana. Let's kick on with Solana. Let's do some quick analysis on a lot of the cryptos, guys. Let's take a look at the USDT perpetual here on Bybit, because Bybit is where we are doing the trading. So yeah, Solana basically bump and run scenario on Solana. Bump and run scenario on Solana. Yeah, I can see that. I can see it. As it's just about breaking, right? Let's do this properly, guys. Let's get the magnet. Let's get the ray, the magnet, and do it properly. This high to this one. Ooh. It does not look bad. It does not look bad. Solana, you know, is one of those cryptos. Somebody said there's a large event in May. I haven't done much research on the fundamentals, but hey, this does not look bad on Solana, right? We did have some volume breaking out the lower high resistance trend line on Solana. Is this about to explode in the next coming days, guys? Very, very possible. It is absolutely possible. We've seen a little bit of volume kicking in here on the US dollar tether pair here on Bybit. So whoever is not aware of a bump and run scenario, let's just get that chart pattern right over here. What is a bump and run scenario? Bump and run scenario is this right over here, right? So we've got a, you know, possibility of a bump and run. You know, absolutely, we're breaking out the lower high resistance trend line. We had a, you know, the bump phase where you have a massive drop, capitulation. This was in November of 2022. Small consolidation, all right, for about just over a month and a half. Nice pump, run, resistance from the lower high trend line. We are currently breaking out. You know what? This could actually have a small little retracement. Best thing you could do here is wait for that retracement, right? Wait for the retracement potentially to the higher support trend line. If you get beneath this lower high resistance trend line in the coming days, then of course that would invalidate the bump and run. It would invalidate potentially going to higher levels, but it does not look bad, guys. It does not look bad. Well, the target for a bump and run is the high, right? from the start of the lower highs. So, hey, Solana at $48 in a matter of a couple of weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks. You know, who knows about the timing? You know, this could get pretty intense if we do get altcoin season kicking in strongly. So it is absolutely a large, you know, it is a possibility, right? It's currently breaking out the lower high resistance trend line. So far, so good. You know, is this the first wave for a massive impulsive wave to the upside? Hey, that is also an option. That is definitely an option, guys. You know, many different tools here. That, whew, yeah, that 1.618, which would be the explosive breakout. Yeah, that could be just at these highs. You know, is it a coincidence? Is it a coincidence that we are at the 1.618 from the, you know, this expansion of the wave just at this high to claim these the lower highs, guys? This is just such a large possibility in the coming days. It's going to be absolutely crazy. I would be very surprised. You know, we'd have to see like a black swan event or a, you know, a huge stock market crash of, you know, 20%. You know, S&P 500 dropping 20% in a matter of a few days, something like that, for this to not happen, right? Bitcoin massive crash back down to 25k, 20k. You know, Bitcoin's the leader, of course. Bitcoin needs to continue this move up and break the $30,000 range, okay, successfully. So yeah, that is definitely going to help. Solana not looking bad. Solana is not looking bad. Bump and run scenario, very much. Yeah. Wait for a long time. Aditya, how are you doing? Also waiting for a pullback to long Bitcoin, says Aditya. How long have you been trading, Aditya? Okay, we got some people here interacting. Pac-Man, thanks for joining the live stream. How are you doing? Aditya is a great trader for sure. Yeah, I can that. He's absolutely banging. He's doing really, really good. Are you guys waiting for ADA pullback? Let's go with ADA, guys, because ADA, yeah, these large cryptocurrencies, large cap cryptos are going to lead the way. And we talked about ADA on the latest live stream. And what is ADA doing? Oh yes, baby. It is breaking that resistance from this symmetrical triangle that was mentioned a few days ago that was just highly, highly probable. And this was the start of a major impulsive move to the upside. I think ADA, yeah, ADA is going to absolutely rock it. It's going to absolutely rock it. I do see these last lower highs from May of 2022 being hit, okay? It is a large possibility here. This would be around about the 70-cent range. Everything points out that that is going to happen, right? Let's go with the basics, you know, of these patterns, right? So that would already take us to 63, 64 cents. The breakout here of this, it's not insanely symmetrical, but it is a, you know, kind of a symmetrical triangle right over here. And we could also assume that this is the third impulsive wave, guys. This could get pretty aggressive in the next coming days. You want to see a chart that, you know, has kind of already made the third wave. I think it's Icon, right? Let's take a look at this scenario. Just so people are very much aware of the possibilities that they are out there with some altcoins, right? Let's keep this live stream special for altcoins, and we can do some Bitcoin analysis. I'll do a Bitcoin update tomorrow, very likely Sunday, you know, nice 8-10 minute update. But let's focus on some altcoins, guys, because here's where we have some opportunities. Theta, I'm in a couple of altcoin long swing trades, okay? Because I do see the opportunity. All right, I've been saying to the Discord on the community, saying, hey, we are just about to have a really nice move to the upside. We want to be, you know, ahead of the herd, because once that pump happens, we want to get out, right? That's the whole deal, right? Don't get excited when the pump has happened, right? You know, a lot of the altcoins pumping 50%, 100%, 200% in a matter of a few days, and like, hey, what's going on? Is it time to buy? It'll be time to take some profits, no doubt about that. So let me just go here quickly with, I think it was ICX, right? We are seeing some altcoins. I mean, this is the thing. This is the thing right over here. I mean, you know, this would be a perfect example. ICX is kind of ahead of what is going on here, right? This is ICX on the daily, on the 3-day chart. Sorry, let's go to the daily and pay attention here, guys, because this does look, this is basically what we're talking about, right? About this potential wave that can happen on a lot of the altcoins. This is the third impulsive wave, and it's very much predictable, as this is the bottom. This is the local bottom, December of 2022, for a lot of altcoins. We've had one wave up. We are seeing a lot of signs. Bitcoin's pumping. We are seeing the total crypto market cap forming all of these bullish reversal patterns, inverted head and shoulder, double bottom scenario, large consolidation for several months. It's time to get a move to the upside, right? So, yeah, basically, when we do take a look at ICX, and this could give us, you know, this is the perfect example, guys, for that third wave that is coming for a lot of the altcoins, okay? Let's go through right away, because this, I mean, this is pretty exciting. When I take a look at the Fibonacci extension from the bottom here, this was December of 2022 for Icon, okay? Icon has been front running, you know, the wave, the third wave, right? And if you do take a look at this, you know, if you do take a look at this high or this high, if we on the retracement on the second wave, look at the third wave. The third wave has even gone to the 2.0 level, right? 1.618 would be like a really extended third wave already. Then the first wave, but this one even reached the 2.0, right? It was double of the first wave. This is how crazy the next wave can get for a lot of altcoins, guys. So ADA, it's on its way. ADA on the way. ADA on the way. You know, I'm in a long trade here on Theta. Theta is an insane project. I think this one, you know, this is like, I'm in here for that third wave here on Theta, for example, right? So in that trade, getting here on the higher lows, ready for that next potential rocket move in the coming days, guys, in the coming days. And we can take a look here. You know, Icon has been front running this next wave. Look at this. I mean, we have the lows from December of 2022 right over here. We have the lows of December of 2022. We have the highs here in ADA. Sorry, this is ADA. February. Highs here in February. Second wave here in March. Second wave here in March. ADA is lagging a little bit. Boom. Icon just got a massive move to the upside. It blasted off. Third wave confirmation here on Icon. Bang. When we do take a look at altcoins such as ADA, such as, you name it, Theta, US dollar. So yeah, get those altcoins in the comment section, guys, because we'll be looking at, you know, the possibilities here on some altcoins. Theta, basically, you know, where I entered was at the high, you know, it was pretty high, but even though, you know, this is like, hey, we're going to miss the train, right? It's kind of missing the train. Of course, it's not recommended to get in here at the highs, even though it continues pumping. You know, it all depends on the risk management of the trader. These are swing trades. These could last for, you know, 4 days, 5 days, 2 weeks, 4 weeks. So anyway, you can see here also, bang, the same thing on Theta. You know, we are just about to get that massive wave here to the upside, where it is in the next coming days. You know, very, very unlikely it's going to fail, right? We just don't, you know, it has to happen, right? It has to happen. We would have to see Bitcoin dropping, stock market crash, you know, for this to you know, for altcoin season cancelled, right? Hey, altcoin season is cancelled because, you know, everything's crashing again. But overall, there's some pretty nice projections. Let me know some altcoins, guys, that we can take a look at and we can analyze. Bitcoin, diamond pattern about to form on BTC. Diamond pattern about to form on BTC. Yeah. Very, very early to say about the diamond pattern. Yeah, I don't see no diamond pattern here. Diamond pattern is, you know, not the best pattern to do trading. It could, you know, it can potentially give you the signs of exhaustion, of course, but not a tradable pattern, in my opinion. I have my tea. Okay, sweep and bleep. How are you doing? Yeah, cup of tea, guys. Always. Get your cup of tea. Love you, Crypto Lifer. How are you doing? Love you too, man. Algorand. Oh, yeah. I'm in a long position also on Algorand. In a long position on Algorand. Let's take a look at Algorand. Chainlink. Ooh. Come on. Don't tell me this is a massive accumulation zone here on Chainlink. Chainlink has been lagging so much. So disappointing, you know. 1 year range trading in between $5 and $9. Big accumulation for Chainlink, you know. Do you think this is gonna, this over here is just gonna go down to $3, $2? I don't think so. I don't think so. We need to see a pump. It has to happen. It has to happen, guys. So anyway, let's take a look at Algorand. Ooh, very much bullish on Algorand. You know, huge L1 blockchain project. Still hasn't pumped. Yeah, this is what you get. You know, the potential projection here. It's looking good. It's looking good. When we do take a look at, you know, we got Theta here. Let's take a look at Algorand. Is that third wave? When we take a look at Elliott wave theory, we have it here on ICX. ICX, yeah. Wave 3 confirmation, baby. It's happened. It has happened for ICX, which is Icon. Very good Korean blockchain project as well. It has it, you know, back in the day, it was huge. Icon, ICX, the future, right? We got many blockchain projects that, you know, were very, very good back in the day. Hey, this one has confirmed. Look at this, guys. Check out the mouse, right? Look at the dates. You can see the mouse also on Algorand and on Icon. The dates are the same from the lows, December of 2022. Same dates. The highs, more or less there. We got a few wicks here, a bit of volatility. You can see the highs right over here. Bang. Look at the low. The exact date for the low, guys, on Icon. Can you see this? March. First week of March. Bang. We have the low. Second wave. Third wave on Icon. Already happened. It front-runned before any altcoin getting the huge third wave. What's going on with Algorand? What's going on with Algorand? Is it there? Are we just about to see that massive impulsive move for all of these L1 crypto blockchain projects? It's very much possible. It's very much. Hey, the Icon. Hey, we came down to the first wave and got a bounce as support. Let me get this bad boy over here. Oh, cannot drag it. Never mind. Look at this. Bouncing from... Yeah, we got some wicks here. We didn't technically get all the way down to the first wave. Not needed, of course. Not needed, but almost there. Could expect that bounce happening. Going from 28 cents to 38 cents. You know, that is a 30% pump. There is some gains to be made. Oh, just hitting the 61865 Fibonacci. Absolutely crazy, guys. You know, the altcoins are giving endless opportunities right now. Endless opportunities. You can trade Icon on Bybit as well, guys. You know, if you want to support the channel as well for the live streams, the technical analysis, the education that we do provide here. You know, you can sign up with the link down below, because on Bybit you do get all of these different altcoins: Algorand, ICX, Theta. You know, they have a few hundred, you know, at least a few hundred altcoins that you can trade there, and there's large volume on Bybit, my favorite trading platform, guys. You get $30,000 worth of bonus that pays fees and losses. It won't touch your capital, so this is always good, right? If you get into some losing trades, you know, bang, it's off from your bonus money, which is absolutely phenomenal. Take a look at Bybit, guys, if you're not signed up on Bybit, my favorite crypto trading platform. So here we go, guys. Yeah, this does look very, very, very interesting, right? You can see I've been talking about this potential third wave on several altcoins. You can see it right here, ICX. The dates are so similar. There's just some altcoins lagging behind. You know, there's life-changing opportunities here going on. Don't forget to smash the like button. Absolutely. It'll pump. Oh, you can control see it to the left. Yeah, I mean, you can already see it, guys. You know, you can see the mouse anyway. Look at this. I mean, ICX is our, you know, the hope, right? ICX is giving us the hope that, hey, we are actually going to see a massive pump on some altcoins. You know, look at the dates. Look at the, you know, check out the mouse, right? Check out the mouse here. The cross mouse here on, you know, they are on both charts, and the dates, right here we got the lows also on icon. Bang, we got the highs. Bang, we got the second corrective wave. Bang. I mean, look at icon. It happened on icon already. Algorand, I would say it's on the way. It's on the way, and there's many other ones. So we can take a look at some CRV. Let's take a look. Andy, check CRV. Let's take a look at CRV. We can do, you know, icon is our template, right? Icon is our template to see the possibilities here on that massive impulsive wave for huge gains, guys. Let's take a look at CRV. We're going to take a look at the Bybit chart. US dollar pair. CRV can be traded on Bybit as well. Yeah, I mean, this is same thing. We didn't have such a large corrective wave here on CRV, but yeah, everything indicates that we are also kind of breaking here this. You could arguably discuss it's a wedgie scenario. Yeah, guys, it does not look bad. Massive range consolidation for several months. We are ready for the pop. Let's go with here with icon. Bang, bang. Third wave. Yeah, the dates, same thing. Same date for the low. Same date for the highs. Same date for the lows again here on the second wave. And icon, bang. Blast off. This was a pump, guys, from the low range. You know, you name it, this one or this one, it doesn't matter. You know, there is a lot of time for many. 160% pump. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely huge. Who, you know, I would have loved to get into this icon pump, but this, you know, this is confirming me that there is opportunities out there, guys. I mean, this, you know, this is the range where you take the decision. Will it, you know, will it happen or will it not? We have some clear indications that, you know, the probabilities are in our favor. The probabilities are in our favor and to believe that the massive wave is going to happen. You get into one of these 100% pumps with a little bit of leverage, you making huge, massive gains, guys. So yeah, smash up that like button, guys, because we are analyzing the potential situation scenarios, keeping it basic, keeping it with Elliott wave theory, basic, you know, what has happened to this one, you know, understanding in front of our eyes that, you know, there is that huge possibility to happen. We have some other charts such as the total to crypto market cap saying to us, hey, this is about to explode, baby. This is about to skyrocket. I think, you know, hundreds of billions of dollars will be pouring into altcoins. This doesn't mean that we are going to absolutely moon, right? This will be the moment to take profits, exit some of your portfolio holdings, because, yeah, I'm sorry to say, I'm sorry to be the one that says, guys, yeah, we are probably going to be entering some very, very bad times in the next coming years. And the crypto market might get a huge, massive, bearish winter for the coming years. I'm sorry to say, this is a very high possibility, okay? This is just an opportunity that the market has given us, that there is a likelihood that we're going to see a little bit of, a little bit of FOMO, a little bit of, euphoria that is going to happen in just a matter of a few weeks. On the other side, I could be totally wrong. And there's no alt season that is going to happen. And we're going to start, Bitcoin's going to start aggressively correcting from $30,000. And here, this is only going to be, a massive double top scenario, bearish flag, continuation to the downside, alt season cancelled, everybody wrecked. Sorry to say, when we usually have these consolidations, guys, we need to understand that the probabilities on having a breakout here on the total crypto market cap, getting hundreds of billions of dollars poured into altcoins. Yeah, we got a high chance, guys. This is all about probabilities, nothing else. It's not about wishing, it's not about hoping, it's about understanding the charts and knowing that, hey, we have, some charts, we have some history as well. This is history. This happened 2 weeks ago on Icon. It front run all of the different altcoins that should have been, that should be popping. And this is our, Icon ICX is our best example here. On a lot of altcoins, we are just at this stage, right? We were at this stage here before getting this. We are seeing, ADA. We are seeing what else? Theta. Oh, I'm a strong believer in Theta. I mean, I'm in a decent, nice long on Theta. Theta is one of those projects that I think is just gonna, have 100% pump. Easily. It's currently just trading at $1.10 approximately. $2 Theta, absolutely. That is very much achievable, right? That's just a 2x from current price. Theta was trading, just about less than 2 years ago at $15 was the highs. I think was the highs approximately. So it would be a baby pump, right? It would be, when you take a look at this chart, hang on a second, let's get more data here. When we do take a look at this chart over here, I mean, look at this. We are talking only about 100% pump, right? We just talk, and it could go higher, no doubt. Theta could go to a few dollars, 3, 4, you name it, in the next coming weeks. Absolutely, bearish rally, right? We need a bearish rally soon. It needs to happen. Once that bear rally happens, it will be time to get out, guys. It will be time to get out. Party is over. This has just been a bear pump. We need to accept that. Whoever thinks that this is just going to start, doing this in the next few months, entering into 2024. Yeah, we know very much that is very unlikely. Very, very unlikely. So, but we can be bullish, knowing that bearish rally, euphoria is going to happen. Absolutely, 100%. Theta, $15-16 back in April of 2021, just 2 years ago from now. 2 years has happened with time. Theta going from $1 to $2 in a matter of a few weeks after this huge accumulation range. Absolutely. Yeah, it's just a baby pump. But, this baby pump could make you life-changing gains. Theta Life. Pac-Man, how are you doing, my man? Thanks for joining. Not spam, Pac-Man. Philip, how are you doing? Check Atom Andy. Atom also, I got a super chat here from somebody. Let me take a look at super chat. Hey, Tajonas. Hi, Andy. Can you have a look at Gala? Let's take a look at Gala. You know, one of the leading gaming crypto projects. Let's take a look at Gala for Tajonas. How are you doing, my man? Oh, this does look really good as well. Huh? This does look really nice. Yeah, what to say? When you create, right? When you create this kind of large descending channel wedge, descending trend, we need to be very much aware of the possibility in the highs, right? You know, always with these channels, with these wedges, the highs are the targets, right? So Gala to 10 cents, very much possible from this range. These are swing trades. When I swing trade, you know, I'm more aggressive with day trades, some scalping, you know, day trades. I'm not risking the same here for my day trades, okay? Like my day trades. Much lower capital, much lower leverage, okay? And having invalidation points, you know, accepting, you know, that this could, you know, it could roll down, right? But the possibility here in making, you know, 5, 6, 10 times your stop loss is there. Just like Icon, right? You would have thought that I would, you know, hey, we're in a bear market, you know, this is not looking good. You're out of your mind. This is not going to pump. If I would have said, hey, Icon is just about to have an explosive move here because we've created the second corrective wave and we're going to do a third wave when we take a look at Elliott wave theory, you would have thought that's not going to happen. Come on, it's not going to happen. Look at the world, look at the economy, look at the cryptos. Everything's dead. And then, you know, you have Icon pumping 160% in a matter of a few days. So this is what we are looking for here for a lot of these cryptos. Gala, I am more concerned in the large cap L1 projects, right? Crypto projects, altcoins, yeah, a lot of them are going to pump, no doubt. But I am more sure of strong L1 crypto projects such as Theta, such as Algorand, ADA. ADA is already, you know, ADA is on the way. It's on the way. ADA is already pumping. So yeah, on Algorand, on Gala, Tajonas, we have that possibility, right? We're just getting simple tools, Fibonacci, trend extension for that possibility of a large, extensive wave to the 1.618. That would be a nice third. I mean, Icon got to the 2.0. It was double the first wave. Can it reach there? Of course, but hey, let's get conservative. Let's not get too excited. You know, Gala, 1.618, 10 cents, which would be around about these highs from the start of this, you know, consolidation descending wedge scenario. It's, you know, we have that we have a high possibility of that happening, okay? Have your good risk to reward. You know, that's what I say always. Good risk to reward. You know, don't bet the farm here. Don't bet the farm. We still, you know, altcoins are still very volatile. We just need Bitcoin to drop a couple of $1,000 and some altcoins will get that effect, okay? The altcoins will get the effect of Bitcoin failing to break out $30,000 area, right? We're still consolidating. You know, if Bitcoin starts having a deep correction of a few $1,000s, guys, and we need to know that that is a possibility. If Bitcoin in the next coming days starts capitulating here, right? Yeah, forget about altcoin season. It's not going to happen. So when we talk about these trading scenarios, we want invalidation points. We want good risk management. Yeah, not much more to be said. Not betting the farm, you know. I'm happy. And if I am risking 1% on my account here on one of these altcoins, right? Say, for example, you have $100,000 on your account and you think, okay, I'm going to risk 1% on this trade, meaning that I will not lose more than 1% on my entire capital. So say my invalidation point would be, say I'm entering a trade here at this exact level. And my invalidation point would be this low, right? You know, if we get down to this low, you know, you might double bottom, get stopped out, you know, but you might also break down and continue down. You could always think about a re-entry, or depending on what kind of situation we're in with Bitcoin, with stock market, you know, in general, right? If it looks very, very bearish and we're having a capitulation event, hey, forget about re-entering along, right? But say, you know, I have 100K. If we reach here, I'll be losing 1K. On the other side, if we do get that impulsive wave, you know, you'll be making, you know, 6, 7K. If that, you know, that pump does happen, if that third wave does happen, just like it happened with Icon, you know, yeah, that's how you need to calculate this. Risk to reward. Is it worth it? You know, it's very much worth it. I'm not jumping into 20 altcoin trades. You know, I'm happy with just getting into 4 or 5, because if everything suddenly crashes, then yeah, we will be going down. I'm trying to protect myself as well. Okay. Theta, for example, that got into a nice trade here, protected already. You know, we need to be defensive. If we come down and get stopped out at break even, I would reconsider entering along, depending on the situation, right? We don't have a crystal ball. We just need to be defensive when we're trading. You know the deal, guys. So that's what I think with Gala, right? Gala also, that we do have that possibility to the 10-cent range, right? If we are going to get that third impulsive wave, just like we had with Icon. Icon is giving us, you know, Icon is leading the way. If I do get, guys, this chart over here, let's get Gala. I would be more, you know, I feel that L1 blockchain projects, strong ones such as Algorand, Theta, ADA, they have a larger chance in getting, you know, they're the first ones getting the run up, right? Then other crypto projects will potentially follow. They might lag behind, but yeah, we have the possibility here. So let's just take a look at this. On, you know, looking at the similarities, guys, okay? You check out how, I mean, this is where, you know, this is how we are coming up with these ideas, right? These trading ideas. Pay attention here, because we are looking at the timing. Look at the cross. Look at the mouse, okay? The cross here, as you can see. We're looking at the same timing. Look at the lower highs here created on Icon, right? It's not exactly the same, but you know the deal. The reason why I'm showing you this is because this is the last lower high after the major drop. Look at what Icon did. It hit that level, right? The lower highs here on Icon after this large consolidation, down, bam, boom, boom. First wave, third wave, bang, breaking all the last lower highs. This is the situation that we have right now with a lot of the altcoins. This is Gala. We have the lower highs right there. There are also the potential targets that we could hit in a matter of days. Of course, you know, is it that easy? Is it that easy? Is it going to happen? You know, why not 100x? Why not, you know, 50x from this level with, you know, $1,000? And if it does do 100% pump, I'm gaining $50,000 out of $1,000, right? Yeah, I mean, well, in this case, it would be 25,000 if it's 50x. But yeah, we just need to be aware. We need to be aware of, you know, the possibilities of the market turning around. Okay, this is why being defensive, having invalidation points. We could get a corrective move in the next couple of days, I think that is just going to be another opportunity. You know, you can get in at lower prices. But yeah, the opportunity here for a lot of the altcoins is absolutely huge. It's absolutely huge. We do not want to get greedy, guys. Stay focused with risk management because, yeah, you know, here is a lot of people where they, you know, they risk, you know, they bet the farm and they're risking too much of what they can really risk. And then we have any catalyst on Monday, Tuesday, next week that could roll the S&P 500 Bitcoin back down to the low 20K levels. And that is altcoin season cancelled. Right? And this is why we want to be very defensive. We want to concentrate, you know, and not risking, you know, our entire trading capital. You know, risk 1%. You know, if you're making 5% from your capital and you're risking 1 and you're going to gain 5% potentially, hey, be happy with that. Be happy. So yeah, just be careful, guys, with all of these altcoins. Of course, there's no financial advice. There's nothing guaranteed that this is going to happen. We got Icon, which is one of the altcoins that is giving us that clear example of that possibility of the third wave. Okay, so yeah, check Atom. We got Atom here also as well, guys. Let's take a look at Atom. Atom is also a nice L1 crypto project. A lot of people have been very, very bullish with Atom. Movements are slightly different. This did not create a lower low. Atom stayed very strong. We got the lows from June of 2022, but then in November of 2022, December, it hold pretty nicely. We did hold pretty nicely. You're not creating a lower low. A lot of the altcoins created a lower low on December of 2022. Atom did not. So it's holding pretty nicely. Yeah, Atom is looking good as well, right? It's looking good as well. It's breaking a lower high resistance trend line, keeping it basic here. Share some love, guys. Come on, we're taking a look at the possibility here of some altcoins popping, and I'm not seeing the love, guys. Share some love and smash that like button here for the algorithm. But anyway, I guess people are not interested. This is insanely good, valuable technical analysis, basic stuff as well, not going too complicated with fancy indicators, just going with the basic and understanding the possibilities that we do have here, guys, right? Very much understandable. Andy, I am planning for a long at 0.618. Reason 6.8 is point of control, daily level, CVD bullish divergence. What is your opinion? Absolutely. Yeah, let's take a look. This is looking at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin a little bit. We were very much aware, okay, on the Legends trading community of this level. I got stopped out on one, and I got a very much successful trade, you know, covering my stop loss and even making 2 times more my stop loss from that level. We were very much aware of this zone on the Legends community. It just had a little bit of more volatility than expected, right? We had the daily level, we had the point of control from this range, we had the value area high from the range. It was the only trading opportunity that I was waiting for a long during this day of yesterday, right? You know, if we hit that level, I'm looking for a long. Of course, we had some volume. It was pretty aggressive. You know, this is the thing. The market is going to put you, you know, to see your skills, right? It's gonna say, all right, you know, you like this level? Are you gonna enter it after this massive move down with high volume, right? And then you're like, oh my goodness, it looks like it's gonna capitulate and break everything. Oh my God. What should I do? Should I enter or not? Well, yes. I mean, I entered. I had good risk management. I managed to get into a nice, really nice low level on a long position. It was around about 30,120. And I had really good risk management. I'm saying, you know, I'm not going to put my stop loss here. Because if we go rolling down with this volume, you know, we are very much aware of a large, massive correction. So had too good risk management, didn't mind, and then thought, okay, this is just a much extended move to the downside. I'm looking here at the 1 hourly, the 4 hourly. You know, we are going to wick down. You know, it's not going to take, you know, with this move down, it's just going to take a lot of selling pressure. Okay, and it can happen, of course. A lot of millions, and not billions. Billions would be crash the market, of course. But a lot of power, okay? And this level was absolutely huge. We're very much aware of that situation, saying, hey, you know, got stopped out of one, you know, re-entering on the move up, stop loss again below the wick, you know, still continuing with the good risk management. None of that adding to my positions kind of thing. This has got a reverse, and then you have the massive capitulation and getting absolutely wrecked. You know, I don't do that style of trading because, you know, I did it before, and, you know, you just get wrecked. You know, my first few years of trading was about, oh my goodness, you know, let's see if it reverses. Let's add to the position and stuff like that. Yeah, I can already tell you that does not work. That doesn't work. All of these guys that are extremely bearish on Twitter, no naming, of course, and on YouTube, and all of this, you know, I'm short and strong, you know, I'm short and strong. I'm adding to my short positions. They're about to get wrecked. They're about to get wrecked. If Bitcoin does break $30,000, you know, the upside potential is huge. It could go to $40,000, guys. You know, even though you don't believe that is going to happen, it can. Absolutely. And all of these people that have just stuck bearish and bearish and been bearish and bearish and bearish and not understanding, you know, the general situation, and that we have been bearish for a long time already. It has been bearish for a long time. Are just gonna, you know, missing out. You know, there are people that are extremely underwater and trying to move up their short positions, adding to their positions. This is also very much a scenario that is happening, guys, to a lot of people. This is why the price is going up, because you're eating up all of the people that are short and still adding to the position and still trying to catch the highs, and it's just whoop. You know how this usually ends up? Do you know how this usually ends up? I can already tell you. It usually ends up with something like this. And let's get another chart with more data. People that do short. I mean, I'm not sure if there's, let me ask the community here 1 second, guys, and we can focus on Bitcoin in just 1 second, okay? But live streams are just to, you know, take a look at some scenarios. I'm going to start a poll. Are you bullish in Bitcoin for the coming weeks? Let me know, guys. Coming weeks, right? It can be 4 weeks, it can be 6 weeks. For the coming weeks, are you bullish on Bitcoin for the coming weeks, guys? Let me know in this poll, because if I see that 80% of people are bullish, I'm going to be worried, right? If I see the community that most of them are bullish, but I know I've got a big community and they are smart enough, so I wouldn't be too worried, right? Are you bullish on Bitcoin for the coming weeks? Let me know, guys. What do you think? Or is this it? Is this the top, right? Is Bitcoin going to reverse at $30,000 level? As it is the biggest resistance level that we do have for the last few years. It's the biggest resistance level. But anyway, like I said, you know, there's still a lot of people bearish, staying strong bearish. Right, yeah, I'm going to take a look at this. Pac-Man, thanks for the super chat. Thanks for letting me know. I'll be taking a look at the super chat right away. Give me 1 second. I'm just, give me 1 second. The amount of people, because I got into crypto mid-2018, the amount of people that were bearish here and here still was, it was crazy. You know, people were very, very bearish. We were hitting the biggest support level of 2018. This is going to be resistance, and Bitcoin's coming down to $1,000 when it was trading at 5,000. You know what happened, right? All of those bearish people, the reason why you have this massive parabolic move is because people are still very bearish. And people are shorting like crazy and adding to their shorts, and they're just getting absolutely exterminated. And we can be at the verge of this happening, right? I really want to know the opinion of the community. Are you still bullish on Bitcoin for the coming weeks? Very important, you know. We make the markets, guys. We make the markets. Right, let's take a look at Aditya was saying, you know, looking to long Bitcoin. Let's take a look right away. Yeah, no doubt that that level is still strong. No doubt that that level is still strong. Yeah, I mean, it's likely to bounce. My personal opinion is we test above 30,600 before we test 29,900, right? Higher possibility from this range, higher probability, no matter the volatility that happens, is we are going to test. There's more chances in testing 30,600 than actually testing below 30,000. Keeping it simple, that's it. We got, you know, I would say 65% chance this move happens at this 30,200, 300 range, and a 35% chance that we'll dip below $30,000. That is my opinion, of course. You take that with a pinch of salt, guys. We are hitting 618 from pivot, 2 pivot points on Bitcoin. You got that damn right. Pivot low to pivot high, 618. Just about. There was a small front run on hitting the 618. Actually, we didn't actually hit the 618. Almost. People waiting for the 618. What does Bitcoin do? What does Bitcoin does? What does it... Can't talk today. What does Bitcoin do before hitting the 618? See you later. See you later. I'm waiting to long at this level, but I'll see you later. And you're out. And you did not catch the long. It happens. It happens. We're sometimes waiting for a level, and then, you know, you have a front run from it, and then whoop. Oh. Doesn't matter. We have more opportunities. I'm not saying this is going to happen, of course. Okay, now everybody's like, hey, we're missing out here. It's going to hit the level and start longing, and then the price does whoop, and then it bounces. But yeah, very, very, very much possible, guys. Hi, Andy. Can you take a look at OpenDAO sauce? What is that? Thanks. OpenDAO sauce. What is it? OpenDAO sauce. We got some people smashing up the OpenDAO. Okay, sauce as ticker symbol again. This is 1,376. This is an absolute baby. OpenDAO. I'm going to take a look at this one afterwards because I have heard about this project before, and it's an absolute baby. It's 4.4 million in market capitalization. Fully diluted, 11 million. Yeah, it's a baby crypto. We can take a look at this one. Do we have any charts here for SOS US dollar? You can spot trade it on Bybit. What is? Oh, yeah, this is what you get when with these baby cryptos. OpenDAO, US dollar. Let's take a look. I mean, yeah. What can I say about this one? Very hard to say. It's at a big bottom that we did have. It's at the bottom from December and November of 2022. Double bottom scenario. Possible. Look at the volatility with this though. I'm not sure the fundamentals and what this one does, but yeah, this is I will do some research. Looking at the charts, it's just at the lows. And these lows were very, very strong, right? They were very, very strong. And I'm surprised, you know, this is on several exchanges: Qcoin, Bybit, Femex, BitGet, you know. Yeah, this is a wall of support from November and December. 2 months consolidating here. Oh, well, almost 2 months. No, actually 1 entire month. Mid-November to mid-December. Just at the range right now. It could hold and get a bounce. It could hold and get a bounce. Looking at the charts, it's at support. It's at the lows. These lows have been proven to be hot, you know, hold nicely. Very, very hard to say, you know. I will do some research on this project. Right. Yes, Radix, please. Okay, Radix, let's take a look at... Hang on a second. Let's take a look at the super chat, because I do have a super chat here from somebody. Have you covered Radix DLT by chance yet? Thank you. Perceval, thanks for the super chat, $10. Let's take a look at this one for you. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Please forgive me. But let's take a look at this one. Radix, which is ticker symbol XRD. Let's take a look at this one. XRD, US dollar. Let's take a look at this one. This one's pumped already. This one's already pumped. This one has already created the third wave. It's happened. So we're late to the party, guys. We're late to the party. I wouldn't short it. I wouldn't long it. You know which one I'm longing right now, guys? Is Theta. Theta is, you know, it's a time bomb right now. It can explode and go to $2 and above. Like, guys, Martin says, yeah, absolutely, guys. Destroy the like button. Share some love here with me. I'm going to take a look at this. Are you bullish on Bitcoin for the coming weeks? Right, I'm going to say yes. My other account. 68% of people say yes. 68% of people are bullish on Bitcoin for the coming weeks. 32% of people are not bullish. Out of 230 votes. Usually the majority are wrong, but we got a pretty solid community. I think, you know, we still, yeah, I think, you know, I'm looking for higher on Bitcoin, guys. I'm a moon boy. I came back from being an extreme bearish guy to moon boy. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm bullish. I think these highs are going to be taken. You know, this hasn't finished, guys. We haven't finished. There's still things to do here. Let's take a look at, sorry, getting distracted here. Let's take a look at, yeah, I mean, like I said, this has pumped already. This is the pump that we are looking for a lot of altcoins. It's happened on Icon, ICX. It's happened on Radix, okay? Where we do have the bottom created in December of 2022, sorry. And guys, pay attention. This has created the third wave. We are waiting for a third wave for a lot of cryptos. So, you know, if you want me to take a look at Radix, yeah, we could correct down here. I could already tell you that this could get a nice bounce from this first impulsive wave. We usually hold as support the first wave. Icon did get the bounce here. And maybe gonna get down lower and get the bounce for the fifth wave. So yeah, you know, I would expect this one to actually have another run up. Let's take a look at the Fibonacci extension tool. I mean, this second corrective wave was pretty impulsive, but we don't have no limits here. Second wave, as long as it doesn't get below the first wave, it's good. And this second wave being so impulsive to the downside, we almost hit the 1.618. So yeah, we were about there. I think this one will claim these highs. So Obviously, lower is better, but yeah, we are likely to get that another push up. But you've seen it here. You've seen it here. Just in a matter, just 2 weeks ago. What do we have, guys? We have. You could arguably discuss this one. Yeah, I mean, first impulsive wave on higher time frames. Bang, bang. We had it. We had the third wave here. And it could even continue, okay? Well, this is just, this is probably a small corrective move, and then whoop, third wave will be even higher. Very, very possible. Maybe this third wave hasn't finished yet. It's looking good for a lot of altcoins. Look at this, Gala. Gala is, the next thing, what is going to happen. And of course, this is not, I'm not 100% sure, guys, just looking at the analysis and the scenarios and the environment that we are for the next coming weeks. There's going to be a lot of speculation into altcoins, in my opinion. Gala, pumping to 10 cents. And then everybody's like, Gala, 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 look at Gala. It's pumping like crazy. We want to be you're the one that wants to get in here. And get out when you're pumping and you're testing these highs, right? Just like Icon, the same analysis looking at Icon here. You're hitting the last lower high from the drop of 2022, right? From May, June, the last lower high, and you are hitting that level. I mean, I would directly put a limit take profit, because the wick move up and down is going to be in a blink of the eyes, right? You're just going to happen very, very fast. So definitely I would put limit orders at those highs, because these last lower highs are just claimable levels, right? Bang. So yeah, we'll definitely have a take profit zone on Gala at 10 cents. Having good risk management as well, guys. We know the deal. If Bitcoin starts dropping, starts correcting aggressively, stock market rolling down, rolling and having a massive crash, altcoins will absorb all of that negativity and situation and will correct down, okay? This is why we want to be defensive. We don't want to bet the farm here. We want to be, I'm happy. Say, for example, I risk $100 on this trade. That pump does happen. Hey, I'm making $500, $600. Be happy with that. Then you have, I should have risked much more on that trade. I could have made, hundreds of thousands of dollars. We just want to be defensive. Everything leads that we could have that run up on the altcoins, guys. But we never know. We never know what's around the corner. Theta, we've talked about Theta. I'm in a long on Theta. Position is already protected. If I get stopped out, if we do get a corrective move, I will reconsider entering into that long, depending on the global situation with stock market, Bitcoin, crypto in general. Re-enter again, have very good risk management. But Theta, yeah, that is the L1 crypto project that I am betting. My biggest bet on altcoin trades right now is on Theta. Because, yeah, Theta it's just such a solid project, and it's about to melt faces, in my opinion, right? So we're looking for this $1.70 level to be claimed, in my opinion, right? Even slightly higher. This high over here needs to be claimed, and that for me is a take profit zone, no doubt. So same thing, one wave, two waves. Are we at the verge of creating that third wave? Something to play in our advantage is ascending triangle in this corrective wave. Bang, bang, bang. Just popping its head on the resistance. It's about to happen. It's about to happen. Of course, long in here is not the great decision. You know where I longed? I longed at the support here. I had an invalidation point at the lows, saying, hey, if this comes down, then I would reconsider a long. So far, it's covering stop loss. Position is protected, so far it's in a free trade right now, just paying a little bit of fees. Long in here, yeah, not the best decision, of course. It's resistance from the highs. Breakout with volume and a correction and then in. Yeah, that's a better entry with a confirmation. Stop below the support. Not too aggressive. We need better entries, of course. Theta right now is not the best entry, even though it's a swing trade. What's your Theta target? Yeah, at least this high over here, 1.70, even slightly higher, 180. We know that the third waves are much more impulsive, right? Third waves are much more impulsive than the first wave, right? If we do have a bottom, this is a confirmation bottom. We're creating a higher low. Third wave can be very, very impulsive. How do you know? Well, it's Elliott wave theory, right? Elliott wave theory. We know that we are in third wave, and we got several cryptos that are doing that. Like which one? Like ICX, Icon. This one created the third wave. Look at this. It happened. It's not magic. It's technical analysis. It's, going through the basics. Then we can take a look at fancy tools, but let's go to the basics, okay? Just for the live stream. It happened. We had the third wave on Icon. Bang. Much larger than the first one. RDX, which is, Radix. What is Radix? What's the ticker symbol? XRD. XRD, US dollar. Hey, it happened. We had the third wave. It happened for this one as well. Bang, bang, boom. Big third wave. Then you take a look at charts such as Theta. And you're like, hey, this hasn't created the third wave yet. Algorand. Insanely bullish project, and Algorand can go absolutely crazy. I would be aiming even for this high over here, 44, 45 cents. This high to be claimed in this bear market. 1, 2. We're looking for that move, guys. We're looking for that move. VeChain. Any coin in entry zones for longs? Let's take a look at VeChain. Good question. Any good coins for some entries? VeChain, same scenario. Oh, but VeChain has all of the... yeah. You can see May 2022 last lower highs. I mean, I would expect it to even go higher than this, but that's definitely a target zone on VeChain, the 3.4 cent level. Currently at 2.5. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah, baby. Could be also at the verge of that third wave. Everything points out that it has to happen, right? 0.047 cents in a matter of a couple of weeks. Very, very achievable. We are going to get resistance here on VeChain, but we could also just smash it, right, in just a matter of hours. We need to be cautious, guys. I wouldn't just suddenly bet the farm and start getting into, Andy said that we are likely going to create the third wave on a lot of altcoins. I'm betting the farm here. I'm getting into million long positions with leverage. We want to stay extremely cautious, guys. I'm happy to make 10% on my account in the next coming weeks if that does happen. If it doesn't, if it does happen, am I going to say I should have bet more? Yeah, well, this is a natural, emotion that's going to happen. I was right. I should have bet more. But, we don't have to be extremely greedy. There's opportunities every single day. That's what I learned during my trading career. I don't care missing trades, because I can get back into one tomorrow. Whether it's a day trade or a swing trade or a scalp trade, it doesn't matter. There's opportunities every single day. So I don't feel bad when I miss trades. And this is something that you guys also need to, train your mind, right? Doesn't matter. Don't feel left out. have very good risk management, guys. Risk management is absolutely key to survive in the trading industry. You have no risk management and you're betting more than usual, you cannot get into a long position on this, even though it's highly probable that it's going to have a wave up, and bet 20% of your account at your invalidation point. You just cannot risk that much. I risk 1%. I can make 5% on my account. Hey, that's a killing. That is absolutely great. So anyway, Rose. Solana. We've taken a look at Solana, Rose, ADA. ADA is leading the way as well. ADA, Solana. It's leading the way, guys. And you know what? This is my target here on Solana for the next coming weeks. Almost 70 cents Solana. Yeah, very much achievable for that third impulsive wave. We are on our way. It's on the way, guys. Breaking levels. Is this a good long? Yeah, not at the highs, but this is the thing. It's just like you might miss the train. I'm not longing at ADA. For me, it was I kind of missed out, right? Missed out already on this trade. If it does get a kind of a little bit of a corrective move, I might consider entering. Because then, we're still in that wave. It doesn't look bad. Yeah, this is ADA. ADA is already here. Let's take a look. Super chat from Umar. Let's take a look at that super chat. Rose also. Let's keep Rose. Rose is also a really interesting L1 blockchain project. Hey, this is already getting the signs, guys. It's already happening. Next target is the highs from the first impulsive wave. What can we say about Rose? It's happening. Expect fireworks. Expect this high to be claimed in the next coming days, weeks. Yeah, I wouldn't go more than a month. Might take, a few weeks. It might take a few days. It does not look bad. Yeah, very much achievable. That 11-12 cent level. Very much achievable. Can you trade Rose on Bybit? That is my question. I think you can. Rose can be traded on Bybit. Absolutely, guys. You know the deal. Bybit is my #1 crypto trading platform. It's where I have all of my crypto trading funds. So you know the deal. You get $30,000 worth of bonus that does pay for fees and losses, guys. Check Bybit out because all of these altcoins mentioned on the live stream can be traded there. So Bybit is the #1 for me. It's the top. It's a top 3, I think, in volume. Let's just double check here. Let's take a look at Bybit here. Top 3. Currently, we have $7.5 billion in 24-hour volume. It's moving $7.5 billion every 24 hours. So it's, open interest over 5.1 billion. It is top in the game. So it's the one I'm currently using. I don't try to make money. I try not to lose. If I make some, then even better, says Laurel. Yeah, I mean, it does happen. It does happen. You know what was my trade from yesterday? It was this one. I was waiting for higher as well. But I had a plan, right? I had a plan. I said, guys, yeah, we could bounce here. We could drop. I don't really know, It's just I don't like this range for a trade. I like this level over here. If we do come down there, I'll take a decision. We were getting a reaction, bang bang, and I thought, right, good, it's time. I'm entering along. Got stopped out. I had too good risk management there. It happened. I'm transparent. I say to my community, okay, I did say to the community, hey, I got stopped out. It happened. So but I re-entered again, and very much aware with good risk management again, stop below the wick that was created, but very much aware that this level was so strong, the 30,200 range, there was just too much going on there. Point of control, we had point of control, the value area high from this trading range, we had the 618 Fibonacci retracement. It's just too much going on, dipping below, hitting the 7.8. This is just a grab all of that liquidity from over leveraged long positions, and then let's take a look here at I was going to take a look here at something. I do have my MetaMask here. Right, let's take a look at super chats here, because I'm lagging here with the super chats. Sorry about that. Thank you, Pac-Man. You're the best. Thank you very much. So we have, let me scroll up here. I'm looking for the super chat. Sorry, guys. Let's take a look at, oh, don't tell me I can, I'm trying to scroll up here to see the super chats. Can you see MNW? What is MNW? MNW. Right. MNW. What is this? What is this altcoin? Oh, Morpheus Network. This is a really, really cool project. Very, very low market cap. Well, not extremely low. Morpheus. 390. It's correcting down. It's doing pretty good. This one is doing quite good. Yeah, on the charts, we probably haven't got much data on this. Let me take a look at another exchange. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this does look pretty solid and strong. It's in an uptrend. Not much more to be said on this. Yeah, this one actually did hold really, really good. This did not create another low back in December of 2022. The lows were created in June. So on this one, yeah, it's difficult for the analysis, at least with Elliott wave theory, right? Yeah, maybe this one has already created the fifth wave from the ultimate low level, right? If you do take a look at the lows here. But this one did survive very, very good the last few months. This was actually bullish the last few months, while a lot of the altcoins were bearish. So this one did hold very, very nicely. The low level, the ultimate low here on Morpheus Network was back in June of 2022. So we had that first impulsive wave, second corrective wave, big third wave here, and this the fifth wave already. So this could be in the next coming couple of months in a corrective wave situation. So yeah, this doesn't look great. I think this one will correct and not break the highs here. It'll correct a little bit more, in my personal opinion, before getting any more momentum to the upside. Volt Inu making every ERC20 beep 20 token deflate. Volt Inu making every ERC20 token deflate. Right, let's take a look at this one. Volt Inu. Shall we take this one on the chart? Vault US dollar. Oh yeah, I was going to say about the Discord. Vault Eno US dollar. We can find this one on BitGet, for example. Exchange. Yeah, I think we haven't got much data on this, unfortunately. But yeah, what I was going to say, guys, if you want, you got the chance in joining the private Discord community, okay? Here's where I post the daily updates, videos, also sharing the levels, the analysis, sharing my, my trades as well on the money shots. And, this is what we talked about. We're very much aware of this scenario and expecting that bounce, expecting that bounce here. Very likely to get that bounce from this 30,100 range where we're at, even though it's looking aggressive with volume, and then finally, getting that bounce to some resistance levels. Just a bit of guidance here, talking about levels and trading scenarios. If you want, you can join that, guys. It is also, the link is down below in the description. Legends trading community, wanting to make the best trading community ever. People are starting to share some charts and ideas, and this is what it's all about, guys. We need to help each other. I'm there to answer questions, to guide people, and also share some possibilities, all right, for some trading scenarios. So, yes, skipped Solana. We did take a look at Solana, but not much to be said on Solana. Solana. Forming a bit of a Gartley pattern here, and, corrective wave on the way, right? Let's take a look at here on Bybit US dollar tether. Oh yeah, the bump and run. This is what we talked about. That's, we talked about the bump and run scenario. This does look pretty intense. If there is going to be a L1 crypto project that pumps aggressively in this altcoin season, Solana, ADA, we need to go with the large caps, guys, as well. And yeah, we can arguably discuss that this is also on, in the process of the third wave, looking at Elliott wave theory. And that third wave, we talked about the possible extension. It's coming all the way up to that $46, which would be the top of the bump and run scenario. Is it a coincidence? This is sometimes technical analysis. You align up the planets and it's like, yeah, this is the direction that we are going, right? With all of these different tools, Fibonacci, you name it. Like Hero, how are you doing? Thanks for liking the stream. ICP sleeping giant, more than 100% move possible. Already parabolic, analyze please. ICP, I remember ICP. What's going on with ICP? So we take a look at it right there on US dollar tether. This is about to explode. It's right now rising as we speak. Is this going to go to $10 and even higher? It does look pretty good. It's on the verge. Double bottom, Adam and Eve. Ooh, this does look, this does look really nice. It does look really nice. Massive first wave here to the upside, looking at the higher time frames. If we zoom in here, we are forming a double bottom Adam and Eve from March and April, guys. Look at this. Bang. Whoop. This does look exciting. It does look exciting. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let me know. I don't want to get too excited when you're trading, guys. You want to be very, very mechanical, technical. Getting excited when you're trading is for losers. We do not get excited here. This is a job. This is being technical, making some gains, and going to bed. But whoever gets excited when trading, so there's something not going, something not working there. You don't want to get overexcited. Saito, Andy. I mean, this is just speculation, of course. Double bottom here, guys. Look at this beautiful double bottom. Let's take a look at the potential extension here on this ICP. ICP. Possibility extension. And this one can be huge. $12. Maximum, minimum $9 on the next potential wave. Absolutely. Look at this double bottom, Adam and Eve. That would be a killing entry right there, right? Double bottom, looking for that double bottom. Knowing the possibilities here. Look at that Adam and Eve double bottom, guys. It's absolutely textbook. And we know that this is the second corrective wave. Are things just about to get really nice and exciting? Double bottom scenario right there, Adam and Eve. Right? If you do take a look at the 4 hourly time frame, it looks even better. It looks even better, right? Double bottom, Adam and Eve, just about to explode, guys. Is it going to happen? Are we totally wrong? Saito. I got a big bag of Saito. I got a big bag of Saito tokens. Oh, now this was disappointing, wasn't it? We had an ascending triangle that broke to the downside. Story of my life. Yeah, I'm bullish on this crypto project. It's going to be one. I think this is the most bullish altcoin, low cap cryptocurrency that I am right now. You know, buying. It's insanely bullish on this crypto project. You know, mainnet is launching is not launching anytime soon. I think it's by 2024, 2025. I'll be checking on that. But this one is definitely one in a kind. You know, if you want to, you know, this is like getting into ADA back in, you know, 2016, 2017, in my opinion. You know, when it was just at micro cents before shooting to $1. Not much to say about Saito. You know, this is just it's a very, very small crypto market cap. And you know, this is just nice. These are the ranges you want to accumulate. Not much to be said on Saito. It's just in a massive bit large range. You know, this could take several more months of consolidation. We might get an excitement pump here. If it does get an excitement pump, it, you know, will be a good time to cash out some of that, but I don't think it will be sustainable, and we'll be entering another larger, you know, winter till we actually get the next, you know, crypto cycle. Where can you get Saito? On gate.io. Is Saito on KuCoin? No, it's on gate.io. When you go to KuCoin here and you put Saito, for example, and you scroll down, you have the exchanges where it's available. Uniswap, I've been buying on Uniswap as well. Paid a bit of Ethereum for fees. It doesn't matter when you're getting large amounts. You know, pay $10. Just you know, just for not doing the transfers to exchanges. But gate.io, but Uniswap has the largest volume, okay, on that. Oh, we had a nice little pump today. Yeah, guys, BTC pumping or what? Is BTC pumping? Are we going to see Bitcoin pumping? Maybe. I think 30,600 is more likely than $30,000. Right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. It is evening here. Thank you very much for being supportive. Smash up the like button. Hopefully you have enjoyed, you know, the possibility of this altcoin season pump. We need to recognize that Bitcoin is at a huge resistance level, okay? Bitcoin is at resistance. We don't want to bet the farm on some altcoins. We want to, you know, get in small capital. That's, you know, that's what I'm doing. I'm being very defensive. if the market turns around tomorrow, I won't be losing much. I can tell you that. I won't get burnt. I won't get wrecked. I don't get wrecked anymore. For several years, I haven't been getting wrecked. Why? Because I learned very much the risk management. It's what is making me survive and what's making me have gains at the end of the month. Risk management, not being greedy, accepting that there's more opportunities tomorrow. If I don't need to get in and rush into a trade. There's opportunities tomorrow. Every day is day one. Guys, thank you very much. Smash up the like button, share some love, and I will see you in the next live stream.